Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 keeps on turning off automatically when playing any game. Because there are so many causes of this annoying problem, I can only offer a few possible solutions before you need to seek professional help. So, first make sure your game and system software are always up to date. This can help fix any bugs or compatibility issues that might be causing the PS5 to shut down. Visit this PlayStation page and see if the system software version on your PS5 matches the latest version here. If not, it means you need to update your system in safe mode. Because before that you were not able to update it in normal mode. You need go to safe mode. You have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. On the Safe Mode screen, go to Update System Software option. After that go to Update using Internet and follow the instructions. You can also use Update from USB drive if still unable to update PS5's system software to the latest version. Another thing you can do is check the power supply. Check the power supply of your PS5 to ensure that it is working correctly. If it is faulty, consider replacing it with a new one. Also try switching to another outlet to make sure your power outlet doesn't have problems. The next thing we need to take care of is ensure that PS5 has adequate ventilation to prevent it from overheating. Keep it in a well-ventilated area and ensure that the cooling system is working correctly. PS5 is placed. If you're attaching PS5 vertical, then try remove the stand and make it horizontal and vice versa. If you've been using your PS5 for a long time, perhaps what you need to do now is clean your PS5 both inside and outside. It is not as difficult as you think, just refer to the videos on YouTube and you can do this easily. If you can't do that, take it to the professionals and let them clean it for you, at a cost of course. But before doing that, let's try the next methods. Try removing peripherals, such as headsets, camera, external hard drives, and if you're using the PS5 standard version, then remove disk and clean it. To clean disk, just use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. Scratches, cracks, dirt, or fingerprint on the surface of the disk can prevent the console from reading the disk properly. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. After you have made sure the above is okay and the problem persists, try clear system software cache and rebuild database. To do this, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. On the Safe Mode screen, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database option. Next, select Clear System Software Cache. After Clear System Software Cache is done, try launch the game and see problem is fixed. If the problem still appears, then go back here and select Rebuild Database. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. The last method that you can try is performing a factory reset PS5. You'll lose all of your game data, save data, and personal account data that are stored on the machine. Basically anything on the system's hard drive will be erased. Because of this, it's recommended you first back up any files you don't want to lose for good. You can do this by transferring your files to an external hard drive or using the PS Plus cloud service. Finally, if none of the above solutions work, it may be a hardware issue that requires professional repair. Contact Sony support or a certified repair center for assistance. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.